Good morning. It is the last day of January. It's Wednesday, January 31st, 2024. We're in a short on ES. It was as green as like $400 a minute ago. Right now it's at $250. Also, gold is in a short on premium, and that is green, $500. Nice little fun stuff we got going on there. So, hey, James. I saw you were slow and steady. That's awesome. Please say good morning. Give a thumbs up. Good morning, Carlos and James. I appreciate you saying hello. I'm getting set up a little early today. Look at that bounce off that weekly level. So we are 4 for 4 overnight. 4 for 4 on the standard algorithms, not including any premium algorithms, just the standard algorithms. We're 4 for 4 overnight. If you look in the top left, we had ES night, which is here last night, went right to target. And then we had 4 NQ trades overnight. 2 on right here, 2 here, 1, 2 on evening, and then we had 1 on NQ night. So 4 for 4 on the standard algorithms overnight. What a great thing. What's up, Kyle? Please hit that thumbs up. I appreciate you all. 2 minutes to the market open. I'm going to get my TikTok set up here. I am really on top of it today. I'm quite proud of myself. All right, let's see. Let me switch this profile. I even have my little buzzers turned on. It's Wednesday. There's a medium impact report at 9:45. FOMC is this afternoon, so 2 p.m. the interest rate decision will come out, and then at 2:30 Powell will speak. So we want to keep an eye out for that. I'm gonna move this in. I'm getting on TikTok now. If you prefer to head over there, or if you want to join me on both, I would love to have you both on TikTok and YouTube. If you're new here, I go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Jen then goes live in the afternoon from 1 to 2 p.m. on TikTok only. And then Kyle, who is in the YouTube chat right now, he goes live on YouTube and on TikTok every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday evenings, but it's an every other week thing. So 6 to 9 p.m. He'll be back next week. And next week he's going to throw in a bonus next Friday because he was actually sick one of the days this past week. So I'm excited for that, to have a bunch of Kyle time next week. The 80% sale ended on Apex. They're currently doing like 70% off resets or whatever. Something like that if you needed to reset an account. All right, so ES is in this short on the premium. The market just opened. It's 9:30. Good morning. Hi, laid back. How are you? So let's see what happens here. We do have a report at 9:45, so we want to be aware of that. We're in a short on ES. It's been in a short for a while. It was green $400 a bit ago. Oh, that might be on... Oh, no, that's probably Vizzy setting up along. I was like, sometimes Vizzy will kind of throw me out there. $35 resets and 71% off of any Apex. Vizzy is in a long. Well, I'm going to have to move that. All right. Vizzy is in a long off the open here. Let's see if we can move up. And then ES is in a short. So a bit of a contradiction there, but they're two separate setups. So ES is green, 250 on the short. Vizzy is trying to come back to the entry. If Vizzy loses, again, it's a $200 loss. So it's not a big deal, but we never want to lose. So also, we don't run Vizzy on Wednesdays. So I should probably preface that before you guys watch Vizzy and it's like, oh, why is it so bad on Wednesdays? Yeah, it doesn't do well on Wednesdays, so we don't run it on Wednesdays live, but I am running it on simulation just so you guys can see the trades. Yeah, no, you should. Listen, Peter, just follow the rules.
Canceled.
There is no FOMO allowed. What you should be in is the ES London, which is green, 250 down here in the bottom right. Let's
Order
see
submitted.
how this wants to play out.
Order submitted.
Hey, Tino. Did the folks that were waiting for their payout from Apex, did it come today? They were asking about it yesterday, and I figured they were doing so because it was like the 30th, but it wasn't the 31st. And I think they do it on the last day of the month. At least when I've done it. Sometimes they'll do it earlier, but most times it's the last day of the month. Good morning, Rod. What's up? Oh, yeah, you know what I should do? Remember, Jen is on vacation. It is her birthday. That girl is having a good old time. We miss her, though. She will be back tomorrow for her regular 1 to 2 p.m. stream. So that is great. ES is still in this short. Again, the overnight algos were standard algos were 4 for 4 overnight. NQ evening took 2 trades, went right to target. ES night took 1 trade, went right to target. And then NQ night took 1 trade and went right to target. So it has been a great evening. And today's FOMC, so, you know, this afternoon we're going to take it a little easy. Vizzy is in a $260 long here, which kind of coincides with our student play. My students know what I'm talking about. So we like to see this. We like to see this 320, 330 on this Vizzy. Again, no FOMO, Peter. If it's a no, it's a no. Thank you, Kyle, for posting that. I appreciate it. $400 and $500 on this long. It is 9:34. $550 on this long. If you want more information on the algorithms, just email me boldbotllc@gmail.com. Oh, very good. I didn't even notice that. Took another one. Very good. $620 on this long. This is the NASDAQ on the futures market. I do not trade currencies. I trade the indexes and I trade commodities in the futures market. So not forex, just futures, no stocks. Target filled. Oh, NQ early. We need some eggs. NQ early hit target. NQ early. So NQ, this standard algo on NQ is now 4 for 4 on the day, just NQ. ES is 1 for 1, and ES early is also in this long, so let's go check that out. ES early is in this long in the top right. Hey, Blue. All right, so 5 for 5 now overnight on the standard algorithms, waiting on this ES early to push up. NQ early hit, and NQ early is a green today. It's a green day. So overnight, NQ 3 for 3, ES 1 for 1, target filled on ES early. So we are now 5 for 5 on the day on the standard algorithms, and we're in a $600 long on Vizzy. Again, this is one of the premium algorithms. It made, how much did Vizzy make yesterday? It made $1,600 on Monday, which is a green day. Yesterday it was red, $100. And 2 weeks ago, it made like $8,000. The week before that, it made $7,665. Vizzy is definitely one of the top contenders on the premium side. Really exciting stuff. So this is the trail stop.
Order canceled.
So it just took it there. Again, the stop loss is only $200, which is super manageable. Vizzy is a green on the day. Again, if you're trying to just grab, say $400, $500. You can do that with visual as it's in a trade. So when it's in a trade and it comes to the price, essentially the amount that you want for your day, and that's with one mini, it was just green like $650. You can have your chart trader open and push close and simply just get out of the trade at that area. ES down here is still in a short. So we're still seeing if this is going to play out. Oh, did the student play? Oh, not enough yet. Not enough yet. We almost got back to the chop zone. So we'll see about that. It is Wednesday. It is FOMC. There is a report at 9:45. I'm going to be playing pickleball after I get off of here. ES London, again, still in that short. Nice. I got another one on that. Was that a short? Yeah, that was a short. Nice. Oh, Blue, did you see this? Jen made this for me. Does that look like me? I don't really think it does, but I think it's fun. She's like, look, it's you. I was like, I don't think that really looks like me, but it's still a lot of fun. All right, so moving back down here. Where's NQ early? We might get an NQ early short. Let's see. The NQ early long hit, again, overnight. This was NQ night up here. That hit, and this was NQ evening. It hit twice, back to back. So 1, 2, 3, 4 on NQ today on the standard algorithms, and 1 and 2 for 2 on ES. There was an ES night and then an ES early. So 5 for 5 so far on the day. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. The ES on Bold Waves, which is a premium algorithm, is still in this short down here with one mini, green $200. It got as green as 400 earlier, so let's see if we can drop back down there. It's 9:38, so there's a report in 7 minutes. We're going to keep our eye on that. I'm going to copy and paste this that I had earlier. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in chat. I'd love to answer them. I'm just going to keep spamming him until he responds. All right, we're moving lower. NQ just broken down below that level. ES is still moving down as well. Let's see if we get this NQ early. I'm here for it. Oh, we're going to have to wait a little bit. It's already 9:40. We'll have to wait. We'll have to wait. Click the like button. Yes. If you're on YouTube, there's 15 of you. Please hit that thumbs up. It really helps the stream. Again, I only go live for you guys. 300 on this ES short. There's really, like, I could still be in bed and all of these trades are happening regardless. So, regardless if I'm awake, if I'm at my computer, these trades are happening. When I go play pickleball at 11 o'clock, these trades will still happen. When I'm taking my little one to their allergy shot later, these trades will still be happening. This is a fully automated algorithm that trades for you, whether you're awake at your computer or if you're working or somewhere else. So, yeah. I go live for you guys so you could kind of get a glimpse into the algorithm, get a glimpse into the action. Plus, we have a lot of fun. But I could be doing really anything else. So, we'll just keep that in mind. Anything else. See, Peter, Vizzy had another loss. It's red like $100 on the day, which isn't bad. But, you know, you could have ran it. That first trade was red 200. The second trade was green 600 or something. You take your 400 and you go. William, I'm so proud of you. It's 9:42. There's a report in a few minutes. And remember, FOMC today, so Powell is speaking at 2:30. The interest rate decision will be made at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you weren't aware of that, make sure you're aware. Be careful. No, it kind of takes forever. But it's okay. I thought that was funny, Christopher. Yeah, that's all she does. Every day she's like, oh, I made $400. I turned it off. Oh, I made $600. I turned it off. Like, she knows what she's doing with that. And that's the thing. Either you're going to be 100% hands-free and just let Vizzy do what it wants, or you're going to just watch it at the open. It takes 1 or 2 trades. You get the money you need and you're out. Like, if the first trade goes green $500, there's no reason why you should be, you know, if that's your goal, waiting for a second trade or keeping it on for additional trades. But like today, it had 1 loss. The first trade was a loss. And I think that happened yesterday too. The first trade, or no, actually the first trade yesterday was $500 green, and then it hit the trail for like $100. So this first trade right here in the left side was a loss for $200. That's not detrimental. That's not going to like kill your account. Then the second trade, this one here, went green 600. So let's do the math there. Negative 200 plus positive 600, you close out in this area. And this was actually a really hard area from earlier too. If you can see, it actually lines up with the line on the left over here, which can be essentially an indicator for you. So it moves up here. It's green $600, whatever it is. You push close on your chart trader, or you right click on your position. You push close position. That is then going to exit you at $600. You are now green 400 on the day with 1 mini across however many accounts you're doing that on Apex. And if you're making $200 to $400 or $500 a day on this one strategy, that's insane money. Like, it's insane. And most days, Vizzy will be green out the gate. Out the gate will be like a big run. 375 on this ES short. Hey, Roland. If you want more information on the auto trading algorithm, please email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's in that top right. We're going to watch this ES, $412. This is lower than it went pre-market. 500 guaranteed green on this. Target filled already just that quickly. Did you hear that target filled? That was ENQ. Eggs hit again. I'm going to need to see y'all posting some eggs in the chat. Over $500 on this ES. The ES short, that is a premium setup, but on the standard algorithms, we are now 6 for 6 on the day. 6 for 6 on the day with the standard algorithms. Three for 3 overnight, 3 for 3 this morning. So even if you don't run night setups and you just run morning setups, you're 3 for 3 already on the day. We love an FOMC morning. We do. Range does so well on FOMC morning. As all that I said, it would copy the file, shouldn't I? So this ES short, Vizzy is trying to take a long here. Again, don't run Vizzy on Wednesday, so I don't really care about that. I'll show you the NQ early. The NQ early up here is that 2 for 2 right here. ES early is 1 for 1. I know, it's gym time for sure. William, I am going to be heading over there soon. 550 on this ES short. I'm going to be going to play. I played 2.5 hours of pickleball yesterday. I played 2.5 hours of pickleball on Monday. I might only play 2 hours today. My left knee was being a little funky last night, but I put the heating pad on it. Please don't push the box that also says send to chat when you're posting in chat, when you're posting in the thread, because then I just have to keep deleting it. Yeah, it could be. It's FOMC day, so not bad. But the range is so fire on FOMC day. $600 on this ES short. And guaranteed green, and you can see the trail is moving itself down now. Yeah, the best thing to do is not mess with the algos. The only time we turn the algos off is during FOMC reporting and Powell speaking, which is this afternoon. So, like ES later, something like that. I will be turning it off by 1:45 p.m. Whether it's in a trade, not in a trade, I will be not in anything come 2 p.m. All right, folks are posting in results. Nice job, Jackie. Jackie just posted amazing morning done for the day, and it's not even 7 a.m. Ooh, Jackie's on that West Coast. You get it, girl. And then William, who said micros don't make money, took it easy and done. $50 to $100 trading micros. That's the thing. When you really understand what the end game is, which is slow and steady and not rush and try to make a gazillion dollars, you're going to do it. This is Glenn. Glenn has 21 PA accounts, and he's not sure what to do because you can only have 20. So we were talking about that this morning. So all of this money, these are all PAs. All of this is money he can withdraw starting tomorrow because the withdrawal period is from the 1st to the 5th.
Order submitted.
Look at Michael. Great day so far. BoldBot for life. I love it, Michael. Joe D. Look at Deb. Deb's like, I can do this. Look at all this money Deb is making. Oh my gosh. But what I was saying about, withdrawal is from the 1st to the 5th and then the 15th through the 20th. Michael, great day so far, or almost $1,000 on all of his accounts. Joe D, let me zoom in here. $600 for Joe D across his accounts.
Order submitted.
Deb, 11, 16, 19, 2,100 for Deb, and she is brand new to the group. She is understanding what it's about, and she's making it work, and I love it. Good job, Deb. Carlos. Oh, Carlos, you put your name back to Carlos because you had it as mortgage yesterday. Met goal for the day, all algos. Nice job, Carlos. I guess his goal is right around 200 to 250. That's an awesome goal to have. Great job, Carlos. Texas Sloth. He's in the chat right now. If you see him, he is in TikTok chat. Same username, TX Sloth. And he is new and killing it. 6, 12, 21, 29 for 3,000 for like almost $6,000. Almost $6,000 for Texas Sloth. So that's awesome. You go. You go. Still in this ES short. Still in the ES short. Gold Waves is green, $1,220. This is with one contract, y'all. One contract. Irma just posted this in announcements. I don't have this one running. $1,220. Gold. Insane. One contract long, $1,220. That is a premium algorithm. That is Waves, similar to this one. So you would have ran that ES, which is $600 right now, plus your $1,200 on gold, one mini each. Sheesh. What is that, like over $2,000? $2,000. That's amazing. Amazing. Let me open up the 175. I just want to see something. I had to fully reset my thing last night. I had to like reconfigure my whole NinjaTrader on my secondary VPS, which was frustrating, and it took a while. Like, it took most of my evening after my student call. It was fine, but I was like, ugh, like that. Ugh. What's up, Fizz Pop? So again, we're 6 for 6 on the day on standard algorithms only. So when I tell you the place for today, the move for today, we are 6 for 6, meaning there were 6 trades, all 6 were profitable, and that is just on the standard algorithms. There were 3 trades overnight, they all hit, and then 3 trades this morning, they all hit. There are other trades that I'm showing you that are on the premium service, like this is ES Waves. It is green, $600 on one contract short. If you want more information, just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Also, that gold waves I just showed you is a premium setup, and that is green, $1,200 right now with one contract. Thanks for is that a gummy bear? I love gummy bears. I love Harbo. And what's that other brand in the white bag? I had never had them before, like a few months ago. They're really good. You want to know my favorite candy? It's chocolate-covered gummy bears. And people typically think it's gross, and then I get them to try it, and they're like, oh, it's pretty good. Chocolate-covered gummy bears are the best, especially when all the gummy bears are that, like, pineapple or clear one, which I think they mostly do that. I think I have had chocolate-covered gummy bears that were, like, red or green, and I do not like the flavor. But the clear, like the pineapple flavor with the chocolate, it's so good. And that's what I feel like most of them are. But I have had the other version from time to time. All right, so still in this ES short. Irma is still in that gold long. It's Taco Bell time. What are you guys going to have today? She said you were right, Lauren. It's not a competition. I'm dead. Where's Chris? This is a hot mess. I saw it on TikTok so far. She put it in the announcement channel.
Order submitted.
You guys, I can't think of what I want for Valentine's Day. Can you give me some ideas? Can you give me some ideas? Yeah, so KJ, if you want to use a cash account, the minimum is $3,000, but you can use a prop firm account like Lilu or Apex or Take Profit Trader, any of the prop firms that work in a futures market, you can use. A trip to Sunshine. Well, I was in Sunshine last week. I was in Florida last week. So, and like I could really go whenever I want, so I'm probably not going to ask her that. But I need to think of something that I want that I can't think of yet. Also, so if you want more information, I can also help you with that, KJ, if you email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. Still in, this is ES, the S&P 500, still in the short here. NQ early is in another short. We are 6 for 6 so far on the day. Let's get the short on NQ early and make it 7 for 7. We are right at the entry. Just got to drop a little bit more. Let's drop. Let's drop. Let's drop. But yeah. So you can do a cash account, or you can
Order
do
submitted.
a funded account, or you can do both. Almost at target
Target filled.
Target filled. NQ early. NQ early. Might need to go a little lower, but NQ early hit for me. Let's go. 7 for 7 on the day. Let's get a little lower. So there we go. Everyone hits. I always am like, when I hit, I'm like, Guys, we need eggs in the chat. Ooh, did you see that trail move down again on ES? NQ early is 3 for 3. We are 7 for 7 on the day on standard algorithms. That does not include the premium algorithms I'm also showing you. Just standard algorithms, 7 for 7 on the day. People that say the standard algorithms, because what they do is they look at the premium algorithms and they get FOMO, and they're like, oh, the standard algorithms aren't as good as the premiums. Well, that's straight bullshit. Because the standard algorithms have a higher percentage win rate. Some of them are a little risky, but then you just have to use micros or size down. You just have to understand your risk. If you understand your risk, your approach is going to be much more appropriate than if you're just like complaining. Last week was red for both premium and standard algorithms. Listen, do we have losses? Yes. Are there days that are red? Yes. But more often than none, the standard algorithms fall in a range of 85 to 99% profitable over the last 14 months. That is over a year that they have held an 85 to 99% win rate. Oh no. Because it's green today. You definitely should have. It's okay. It's okay. RTY hasn't taken any trades, but RTY is a play now. So we'll have to see if that one plays out. And then we're pretty much going to be done for the day. Y'all, I'm going to pickleball at 11. I'm going to be having a great time because we have another green day. 3 beautiful green days in a row. Just so far this week, we're green over $1,200. And last week was red, $700. So we've already made up for last week and some, and it's only Wednesday. So, I try to be as transparent as possible. Are my algorithms really good, and do they have really high win rates? For sure. Are there times where we lose? Absolutely. And you have to focus on what your potential loss is going to be more than you're focusing on your potential win. It's so easy to come into the group and be like, I'm going to focus on how much money I can make, Yeah, but NQ evening, it's crazy. It has never lost. So before last week, it had only lost once, and that was August. Since August, it had only lost once, and I think it was the first week of December. So that was so unlike NQ evening last week. But, it's going to make it back. So, and the risk was
order filled
500. Last night it made 200 or whatever. So, yes. I think it was more than, since the beginning of 2023. Yeah, so I didn't pull it since January. I had pulled it since whatever, I'd pulled it since August. I like being able to give you like a whole year of data, but sometimes I feel like it can be a little skewed, especially when I'm looking at like the best days or the worst days and stuff like that. So, but I remember I pulled it last week. According to August, there had only been like one loss, and that was the first week of December or something like that. It was like December 6th. It was a Friday. And maybe there were 2 losses total, but I remember like they weren't on the same day. Like one was a Friday, one was like a Tuesday or something like that. So there wasn't overwhelming data. Oh, Caleb, hi. I know you need to, do you actually have an account, and are you signing in under your account instead of just like a guest? Because that could be why. I want NQ to drop again. All right, have a good one, Fizz. Thanks for joining the live. Thank you for sending roses and gummy bears, all of my favorite things. Yeah, I want roses for Valentine's Day for sure, but then what else do I want? You guys, we have to come up with a list, okay? A long list. We're just going to be like, what is wrong with you? Why are you promoting people to give you a long list of things? Because I want them. Ooh, I do love a massage. But I'm actually really picky about my massages. So there's a masseuse in Vegas. I'm obsessed with him. His name is Eric. I'm not going to tell you where he works because then I'm afraid people are just going to book him up and he'll never be available for me. But he is so good. But so where I live, I used to have a really good masseuse and then he got fired because somebody complained. So now I can't find anyone I like where I live, which is quite frustrating. But I do love a good massage. I really do. So maybe I need to just try someone else out and see if that works. I need to bloop all these people. All right, Kay Lavender, another green day. Passed another eval today, slow and steady. BoldBot for the win, for sure. For sure. Kyle, listen, this is the plan. $3K a month per account.
Order submitted.
He's making $100 per account, and that brings in $3,000 per month. $100 per day, or $150 per day, $3,000 per month per account. 3, 6, 9, 15,000 a month. Like, get the hell out of here. That's crazy. That is crazy. Oh, I think because I have both. I have the other BPS open too. I'm going to close that just so I don't get all that back sound. But that's the thing. Like, people don't understand. And it's not even like you're taking the money and then reusing it the next day. You're simply just giving yourself a reasonable target of $50, $100, $200 a day. And because you have the ability to have multiple accounts with Apex instead of just one account like you would with a cash account typically, you have that leverage of, hey, if I have 5 accounts and I make $100 a day, that's $500 a day. What's $500 times 20 days a month? Well, my math is not working. Oh, my numlock is off. I don't, why is that even a thing? Why is the numlock button even a thing? $10,000 a month. $10,000 a month by making $100 a day across 5 accounts. That is insane money. But the way you get there is not by rushing and oversizing and not understanding risk. The way you get there is by going slow, like Kay Lavender, like William, like Kyle, taking your time and really building the cushion. Now, once you build a cushion, you can size up. Like Carlos, these are all PAs and they all have big cushions. So he can take a larger sizing. He can say, okay, well, instead of $100 a day, I'm going to go for $300 a day, or I'm going to go for $500 a day, because he has that risk like cushion built in where he's not going to just lose his PA accounts because he has a $5,000, $10,000 cushion on each of them. Does that make sense? 637 on this short of the ES. I want NQ to move back down a little bit, just a little bit. It doesn't want to play with me. We came back to the early stance too. Yes. Well, here we go, here we go, here we go. Drop, 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 drop. I don't know where my target is here. 55. Ooh, I like that. I like that weekly. Let's go. 55. More cushion for the push. I thought you were leaving, Fizz. Yeah, 150 a day is good money, especially once you hit 20 accounts. Right. Just like Glenn has done. And it's crazy because Glenn was going to give up back in like October, November. He was getting frustrated with himself. He couldn't figure out his plan. He couldn't figure out his risk. And now look at Glenn. He has 21 PAs and he's making $50 to $200 every day on each of those. He's withdrawing from 20 accounts every time a withdrawal comes up, which is twice per month. If you want more information on the algorithms or on my mentorship, please email me boldbotllc@gmail.com. It's 10:06. Let's just drop going into the Eastern European close. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, 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 drop. Get back under 75. There we go. 74. Let's go back to break 70. We've got to break this 70. Tax time. Use that money to become a student. Yes, William. Say it louder for the people in the back. You know, I actually have someone in the group that is doing that, and he's been waiting so long to get the mentorship. He's like, I'm getting my tax return and I'm getting the mentorship. And I was like, yes, I'm so excited for you. He's been very patient, waiting a long time. We got to break this 70. Then we can go back to 65, 55, 50. Let's go. We got to break 70 first. Break 70, get down to 55. All right, we're at 70, 69. Come on, let's start moving down, down, down. Again, this ES, the trail is continuing to move down. The best decision I made. I'm so proud of you, William. I'm so proud of you. And then our student calls are fire every day, even if the plan doesn't plan out, like if the trade doesn't actually happen maybe until the afternoon or whatever, it typically happens, and like 99% of the time it plays out as it should. And even if we don't get it, like if you don't get it, it's just a good learning experience. Every single day we are going over these concepts over and over again. $700 on this short. We're going over these concepts together. You're getting them really just stuck in your head. All right, we're down to 65. I need to get to 55. Can we do it? Let's see. So yes, let's do it. What? TikTok. Click that. Yes. TikTok kicked me off. It's 10:09. I might just leave it for today. All right, I'm still on YouTube. Peter, that's just normal. I already have a conversation with you up. Well, actually, is that true? Here we go. Let's get back under 70. Drop, 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 drop. Let's go. Drop, drop. 68. Let's go. Let's get back to 60 and 50. 68.
Order canceled.
Drop, drop, drop. Ooh, there we go. 65. Drop, 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 drop. I need 55. Let's go. 60. Come on. Come on, come on. Drop, drop, drop. This area is so tight right now. Drop, drop, drop. There we go. 65, 64. Drop, drop, drop. $60. We're at 60. All right, I just need 55. Let's go. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop, drop. Drop. Drop, drop, drop. There we go, 59. 59. Come on. 58, 57, 56.
Order canceled.
Yay, I hit target. Yay, that one was a long one. In meetings the past 2 days, lowered my risk and only played NQ early. Worked out nicely. Nice job, Danny. I'd love to see it. Good morning, good morning. Hi, Lauren. I'll be joining soon. Sounds good, Tony. Sounds good. We are still in this ES short, $750. We love an FOMCD. Like, we really do. It's awesome. I'm going to wrap it up here soon. It's 10:13. My eyes are kind of hurting me. Gold Waves is green, $1,740. Irma just reposted this. That plus your $700, that's $2,500 on 2 setups with 1 mini each. 1 mini on gold, 1 mini on ES. That's in premium. Premium is $500 more than the standard subscription. $2,400. That's crazy. That is crazy stuff. Again, we're 7 or 7 on the day on the standard algorithms. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh no, we're 8 for 8. Overnight was 3 for 3. This morning is 5 for 5. RTY still has not taken a trade. That's fine. We're still moving down here. Still moving down. Excuse me. Let me respond to this person. Sad that Jen won't be able to. Ooh, $850 on this $875 on this ES short. Damn. That's crazy. Totally sure I'll check on busy tab. It triggered on the one dying. Early tab used the drop down. Oh my gosh, I got to check all the time. That shouldn't be the case. $837. $837 on this ES short.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Sorry, I'm just like looking at something.
Order submitted.
Nice job. Nice job, Kenneth. Exactly. Inch by inch, it's a cinch. All right. ES hit that trail. So ended the day $687.50. Hello, hello. Please hit that thumbs up if you're here from YouTube, or send those little hearts. I love those. 687. Very nice. I can't wait to see Irma put hers in, like $17,000. Let's see. That's how I have mine, and they seem to work fine, but I don't know, Peter. Oh, that's crazy. That's ridiculous. That's not what they said before. I'm going to tag, Danny, I'm going to tag you here. Who's the other person? Oh, wrong one. Ruben. Yeah, the video said, I think as long as you purchase the account, then you would be approved for that 1-day evaluation pass. Like, that's insane. I would push back hard. They should want you guys to be passing, because then you pay the PA fee anyway. Like, that's dumb on them. All right, it's 10:20. I'm probably going to wrap it up soon, check on a few things, and then go play pickleball at 11. I hope you guys have a great day. We're pretty much done for the day. On the standard algorithms, RTY, let me see if... Yeah, RTY doesn't look like it's anywhere near a trade, so it's probably not going to have any today. We're green, over $500 on the day, over $1,200 on the week on just the standard algorithms. So again, that could be across all of your accounts. That could be half and half. So maybe you're green 600 on the week on half your accounts, and 600 because you ran other setups on the week on the other half account. So, you know, or 1,200 or whatever it might be. But it's been a great week. You guys should be diversifying. Again, this is not advice, but your accounts should be looking very good this week. And premium as well. All right, have a good day. I'm going to wrap this up. And I'll see you guys later. Jen will not be live later today. Be careful. FOMC is at 2 o'clock. And then I'll be back tomorrow morning at 9:30. And Jen will be live tomorrow, which is Thursday, from 1 to 2 p.m. So maybe we'll do like a fun, I could go live with her tomorrow. We'll see. Or maybe I'll do something tomorrow night. So, all right. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for joining. Bye.